Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine at your home. So today we will start with chapter number 6, that is working with slides in MS PowerPoint. So in our previous chapter we have learnt how to create a presentation and how you can save it in your computer. But creating a new presentation is not enough, right? You need to learn to present information in the slides also. So in our previous class also I told you that you can add text, pictures and other things like audio, video and animation in your presentation. So in this chapter I'm going to explain you how you can add all those multimedia elements. So first thing is how you can enter text. So most common way that is used in MS PowerPoint to add text in a slide by entering it in a placeholder. So you all know about the placeholder. What is placeholder? In our previous class we have learned what is placeholder. So these are known as a placeholder where you can add your text, right? So that are already placed in your slides and you can just simply click there like this and you can add any text here like this. Fine. So next thing is how you can adjust this text. Like if you want that this keyboard should be in the center, so you can do the alignment and you can drag your placeholder also to the upside like this. Fine. You can adjust wherever you want your text to be placed. Fine. Next is how you can add new slides. For example, I have 2 slides here. I want more slides to work on it. How I can do? Firstly, you have to select that slide wherever you want to add. For example, if I want to add after this one slide, after second slide, I have to select this and then I will go to the home tab. You can see here, this is the home tab. After going to the home tab, from the slides group, this is slides group, you can go to the new slide here. Click on the new slide. Which one you want, you can choose that like this. Fine. And one more way is there, that is the shortcut way. Just click on the slide wherever you want to add and press from the left pen, just select that and press the enter key. This is how you can add slide in a shortcut way. Next is beta, you can change the layout of your slide. Layout means sometimes layout is a fixed template of a slide with placeholder. You will get the placeholder and you will also get some options to organize your data, right? Systematically you can organize your data according to your need. You can add the layout. There are many layouts in Microsoft PowerPoint. You will get so many layouts and the position of placeholder is different in different layouts. So you can see here there are different layouts. One is click to add title, where you can insert your title or your heading. For example, I have added here my title here. Next you will get here, you can see here insert table. You can insert table also, like Word. In Word you can insert table. In PowerPoint also you can insert table to give your information, to present your information. Second is chart. You can insert chart also. If you want to show your data in the form of chart, you can insert chart. And you can use insert smart art graphic also. It is used to present your information in a visual form. Next is picture. If you want to add some pictures into your presentation. Next, clipboard. It is also used to insert pictures, and from clipboard there are already some pictures are available. You can use that and you can search from the internet also. Next is insert media clip. With the help of media clip you can insert video or audio files to your presentation. Now you should know how you can change the layout of your presentation, your slide according to your need. So go to the home tab. Here in the slides group you will get layout option. Click on this down arrow. There are so many options for layout. One is title slide, in which you will get only 2 placeholders where you can enter text. You cannot add pictures, anything to it. Second is style and content, where you will get all these options and you can use these layouts. You can insert chart, graphics and all. Next, learn how you can add picture to your slide. So you all know that pictures make your presentation look interesting and beautiful, and they also make the slides more, you can say, informative, right? So how you can add? For example, click here, you want to add the picture here. Go to the insert tab, and then in image, you can see here image group, click on this picture option. From this, you can select any picture in your computer. You can select from there. Choose the location where you have placed your picture. For example, I'm going to choose this pictures. Then I will choose picture from here. Any picture you can choose with which one you want. For example, I'm going to click on this info devices. I will click on this insert button. So you can see I have inserted one picture in my slide. This is how you can insert any picture. Right? You can also insert the picture from the internet. You can you can adjust this picture from here. You can adjust the size of your picture. You can adjust the place of your picture also. Whenever you get this one, you can move your picture from one place to another. You can drag it like this. Fine. You can also insert the picture from the internet. For example, keyboard I have written over here. I want to insert the picture. Go to the insert and then click on the clip art. After clicking on the clip art, you can search from the internet. Search for, you can write down here which one picture you want to search. Keyboard, from where you want to search all media type, right? Then you will click on go. So this is how you can search out for a picture of keyboard. Like you get here pictures of keyboard and you can double click on that. So then your picture will be inserted here. You can see, and you can insert, you can adjust the size of the picture and you can change it like this. Fine. So next topic is how to apply slide transitions. You can apply slide transition. What is slide transition? So it is the way in which each slide appear on the screen. As you move from one slide to another during a presentation, there should be one moment in the slide, there should be one moment in your pictures, in your text that you can give with the help of slide transitions. So there are different type of slide transitions available in Microsoft PowerPoint. You can give to your slides. How you can give from this? You can go there wherever you want to give the transitions. Firstly, you have to select that slide, and after that you will go to the transitions tab. You can see here. From here, you can choose any option for the transition. For example, I'm going to choose this one, uncover. You can see here it will show you the like this preview also, how your slide look like. If you want to apply this to all the slide, you will click on this apply to all. If you want that it should not be applied to all, then it will go for this only, first slide. If I will click on apply to slide, I will show you after the whenever I will show you the slideshow, at that time I will show you how it works. Right? You can choose any one from these. After that, how you can view slides in different views. You can view your slide in different views, right? So there are different formats. So how you can see that? Firstly, you can see here view tab. Go to the view tab. One is here, first one is normal view. In normal view, this is the default view as you have seen. This is the default view, and from the left pane there are two tabs. You can see one is slide, one is outline. Right? Slides tab display the slides and sequence in which they are placed. You can see 1 slide, 2, 3, 4. Right? Outline tab, if I click on the outline tab, you can see here it display the outline of presentation only, which contain text only. You can see here it will show you the outline only. right? Next is slide sorter view. You can see this one. In this view, all the slides on the screen as thumbnails, and this view helps you to rearrange or organize your slides. You can rearrange or organize your slides in this view. Third one is notes page. In notes page, you will get your slide as well as the notes. In our previous class, we have learned that how we can add notes to our slides. So you can see that. Next is reading view. So this view displays a slide in a full screen mode, like as a slideshow. You can see. If you want to go back to your view, just click the escape key, right? So now we will go to the again normal view. So next topic is how you can rearrange the slides. For example, I want that this slide should be on the second number and the keyboard slide should be on the third number. I want to rearrange these. How I can? You can see here in the normal view, you can just select this one. I have selected this. Press the left mouse button and drag it to the position wherever you want to drag it. For example, I want that it should be on the second number. Now you can see it is placed on the second number. This is how you can rearrange your slides according to your need also. Fine. Next is slideshow. After completing your presentation, we all know that presentation is a collection of all slides and you want to show it to others also. So once your slides are ready, you are ready to show your presentation also. So showing a presentation is known as a slideshow. How you can do that? To run a slideshow, go to the slideshow tab and click on the from beginning. Means you want to show your slideshow from the beginning of the slide. You can see here we have applied transitions. So you can see this also. Like this, you can show your slideshow. So after that, if you want to come back, you can press escape key, and shortcut key to show the slideshow is start the slideshow is function key you can use, that is F5. That's all for today. So you have to read this chapter and practice it at home. Thank you and have a nice day.